음. Yeah, left.
Now left, because this red thing, hammer thing, means there's a dead end.
Ah, really?
I mean, we can get out here and just walk there, see what there is.
I don't want to get out.
And there's gonna be like
Yeah.
phones.
So we cannot go there, right?
We can go there. It's- I've never been there. I don't know what's right.
So we are lost.
This stop sign means you have to stop.
Oh. Oh, let's go. Let's go very quickly. 오늘 아침에 쓸 때.
How was it?
Nice, but I think I need a little bit of salt.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, chocolate.
Ja, jetzt schauen wir mal, ob Sun schon gekommen ist.
We're gonna make Äpfelpie. Do you memorize the recipe?
Oh, I never made it, but it's the first time for everything, so looking for cinnamon.
Sind. I like cinnamon a lot.
Turn on Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
Somewhere.
Listen to cheesy music.
So. Oh, like from here. Oh, not bad.
Hey.
Isn't it perfect?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Done?
Nice and crispy. Us.
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 앞에 꽃도 팔아요. 친구의 친구 생일파티에 초대받았는데 빈손으로 가기는 샀어.
He's kidding me. Also, Guatini, Whiskas, so ganz viele davon. Weißt du, warum die mich gut machen? Die standen beide in meinem Zimmer und haben sich meine Sachen an.
5, 2 und 5, genau, von Tamina. Und 3 und 6.
Teaching.
Ja.
Religion.
Say it in German.
Teaching, teacher, professor.
But what's
People. Star. Cat. Angry cat.
Lion.
Angry cat.
Was ist das?
Hast du dann bestimmt gezeichnet, wenn.
Was worth it?
Seite
Da närmar strax där.
Fleisch, das ist das Einzige, was er isst. Also nein, Kartoffeln und Suppe auch, aber Laktose. Ja.
Laktose, du hast Laktoseintoleranz.
The yellow one is
Fleisch?
typical
Arena
German, so
Schokokuchen?
just try a little bit
Mhm.
without the cake, and then you know how it's really tastes.
You mean this yellow one?
Yeah, correct.
Chantal, warum willst du nicht?
Welches
Popular want to
Was möchtest du für ein Stück Torte?
Marzipan-Ursprung. Deutschland, Spanien, Italien.
Mm.
Nee, vermutlich zuerst in Persien, dem heutigen Iran, hergestellt.
He was Austrian, yeah, no.
Klimt, Monet.
Типа, да, мама? Сейчас я брюшу поставлю. After cake?
Okay. Nee. My shoe.
Cannot see it, it's black.
Yeah. I don't know what that is, but it looks like black dog.
Can you go? Let me.
No, don't. What is that?
독일은 이렇게 아무것도 없는 허벌판이 정말 많아. 쌍둥이가 커서 그런지 이거 봐 이거.
He's coming for us.
Wow, should we run?
Yes, you should.
Yes, it's private.
It's just a...
You wanna climb?
Can I climb?
Sure. Cannot see it.
생각했던 것보다 훨씬 딱딱하네. Did you make this all? No.
Part. It's not nice though. Chocolate truffles.
Chocolate truffles.
Yeah. Jeez, it's gonna take forever. It's like. I think this one is thin.
Oh, what should you do with this? Maybe don't use. What do you think?
No, we should use it. We bought it, so we should use it. What's wrong with this one?
Watch your hands.
And action, right?
Action. Not bad. Where's the biggest? Giant. Not quite a lot. 독일에 파는 치킨 너겟.
저거 커리 디핑 소스가 진짜 맛있어요. 그리고 한국에 안 파는 한국 라면. 냄새는 약간 신라면 냄새 나는데